Hello, we made this snowflake and all these little files, and I just wanted to show you that I want to make a mini bundle. So I created these earrings in one of the videos, and now I'm going to choose this new snowflake that I created, and I'm going to make similar earring but with different snowflake. So let's start. I'm going to control copy and paste just like that, and I'm going to bring it in the middle of the earring. What I'm going to do, I'm going to first find the center of my artboard. So here it is. Bring everything in the middle of the artboard like that, and now I'm going to lock this red shape. Control to lock. Now this is lock. I cannot move it, but I can move this one. So now you can see, to build an earring like this, I'm just going to bring everything in the middle, bring my snowflake right in the middle of this design like this. Simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both of these shapes, check the alignment from my pathfinder, which you can go from window, pathfinder, and I always keep my pathfinder here. This is unusual, but I use it every day, so I keep it here. I'm going to select both of those and minus front. There you go. We have punched a hole in this green part of the earring. Now I'm going to go to object, unlock all. Everything is unlocked. Now we can see what I want to do now. What my plan is, I will remove my guides. I want to show you that this is a mini bundle, and I have these earrings with snowflake cutout, so people can make snowflakes earring. And then I have also provided a blank shape of this design. What my intention is that, and what I know, that people can cut these earrings like that. They can just go ahead and make the earrings, or sometimes they want to cut these snowflakes in the vinyl in the color of their choice, and then when this snowflake is cut, they will also cut this earring shape, and then they can put this earring snowflake on it like this. So it will have for example, leather back and a vinyl snowflake. So this is a possibility as well. So this is my small Christmas earring kit ready to go. Our Christmas earring kit is complete. I have added everything, and I have made this presentation to show the use of it and material suggestion. So this design is ready to go, and I have uploaded my design on my Creative Fabrica store. These earrings are available for free for now, and the link to this design will be available in the description. And so you can download this design and experiment with this design. And we are going to make more snowflakes in upcoming videos, so please join us on Wednesdays and Saturday when we release new videos. Thank you.